Welcome to Certhelm. Let's skip the technical deep dive and look at this from the user's point of view.
Did this certificate already expire?
Imagine you are responsible for a few public websites, a couple of critical URLs, and maybe some internal services too. You're tracking the health of your web properties through a fragmented mix of tools and processes, creating unnecessary stress and operational friction. Spreadsheets filled with domain and certificate renewal dates, dozens of browser tabs open, to registrar and provider portals, endless email threads trying to determine ownership and responsibility, team messages asking, "Did this already expire?" or "Who is monitoring this site?" The result, a reactive workflow that increases the risk of missed renewals, outages, and security gaps. Certhelm is the simple way to keep track of website health, SSL and TLS certificates, renewal risk, and alerts, all in one place. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, inbox reminders, and scattered tools, your team gets one workspace that helps you see what needs attention before it becomes a problem. Certhelm changes that by bringing the important parts together. You can start with the basics: public website checks, URL monitoring, and certificate visibility. If someone just wants to inspect a certificate quickly, even the free SSL TLS toolbox gives them immediate value before they commit to a full workflow. The setup story is where Certhelm feels different. You do not need to design a giant monitoring project on day one. Start by adding the websites and certificates you care about most. Choose how you want alerts delivered. If provider-linked inventory matters, connect it. If private network visibility matters later, add a LAN collector when you actually need it. The point is simple. Begin with the scope you need now, not the complexity you might need later. That's the real value of Certhelm. No extra noise, no more dashboards, just a clearer view of what's happening, what matters right now, and what comes next.